Hey friends, Running Kimono here. It is Tuesday, the 27th, I believe. Dollar General, their Valentine's Day candy went 90% off, along with all of the purple square gift sets and gifts. So there are some tremendous savings to be had and found, including that St. Ives is completely for free, and I'll talk about that in a quick second. But this whole table, I think, was like 12 bucks. I did get $7 back between the Dollar General app and IBOTTA for all of that, so free. But just a really great morning of shopping. If you can head out to the Dollar General ASAP, I would. And even like Ghirardelli, 45 cents. This thing that's been, part of Christmas and then Valentine's Day, was like 55 cents. These St. Anne's, I think, were like 38 or 28 cents. I'll get you the specifics in a second. And then this guy, 40 cents. And I got a bunch of them. They don't expire till next August. So they are going to be a fabulous little gift. And I did stock up on that item. With Easter right around the corner, even if you would open this up and throw it in a couple eggs, or throw this in a couple of, in an Easter basket or something like that, it's absolutely perfect. So let's go through this haul. I'm really hyper by this. What a morning. So the first piece of business are the purple square gift sets. You're going to look for them either merchandised at the front of the store, near the registers. They sometimes have them on a shelf, or they'll have them on their own area. And definitely scan these barcodes that I'm going to provide for you, so you can say, like, is this worth your time to go to the store? And lots of them just had them staged. Couple stores even had them in baskets. Like, get all of them out of the store. So this is like Christmas, Valentine's Day, and now they're just getting rid of it. So I am okay with that. So the first one that's completely free is this triple pack of the St. Ives. So it's a couple different scrubs and a little travel one. So it's $1, 90% off. It's $1. You're going to pay that and then make a submission through the IBOTTA app or through IBOTTA for $1 back. And it makes it free. And you can do this up to 5 times. I found 7. I found 4 at one store, so I got $4 back through the Dollar General app. And then IBOTTA gave me $3 back at the last store I went to. And this is the UPC. And I did get my money back really quickly, guys. I know that Dollar General app is kind of it's just hard to use, but once you figure it out, you just get the cashier to scan the barcode at checkout, and it's that easy because it's a gift card. So good luck with this one, and I would definitely be on the lookout. And this is in the app. I had clipped both the cash back, and the second time around, I just clipped it in IBOTTA, punched in my phone number, and I was in business. Crack open the gift set, and there's a $1.25 coupon valid till April the 1st. And I think one of these body washes is part of the clearance event. So a $1.25 coupon on 50% off. I think I'm getting like a free body wash or something close to that. So definitely open these up if you are shopping the clearance event this weekend. Moving it along, I also found these Christmas Dove kits, which include a scrub and a body wash. $10, now $1. So how wonderful is that? And just to show you the quick UPC, here it is. I'm going to show you a couple items that I scanned in store, but I didn't personally buy. This company called IVES. This is called Snowballs, so obviously like a Christmas sort of item. For the longest time, it was full price, 90% off now for 73 cents. It has a very quick expiry date, guys. So if you were going to buy it, I think you'd have to consume it by the end of March, and that is a good amount of those little cheese puffs or whatever they are. Before the pre-diabetic stuff, I probably would have polished off one of those in a sitting. They are so delicious. So just to show you guys the UPCs, and look for these high on Sky Shelves. That's where I found probably the majority of them. And this company, Utz's, they make really good pretzels and these little cheese balls. I didn't find any pretzels, but I did find a lot of the cheese balls, and I left them all at the store because I'm the best keto dieter out there. And then another item I wish I would have grabbed, but I mean, it's a lot of chocolate. These Terry's, which is the circle, it's like an orange and you break it apart. The orange flavor and dark chocolate, and they were 40 cents each, so the original price was $4. I was shocked to see this in the Valentine's Day area. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention or what have you, but I know that orange chocolate, just a little slice of heaven, if this is your thing. Yeah, I left them all at the store, and here's the UPC, and I found it in dark chocolate and orange. So there you have it. Because so many of you like my little pointing pictures, here's me pointing. Bottom shelf with the Easter stuff. That's where they're putting a lot of this in some stores, I noticed. So you're really going to have to put your detective hat and really look around, look at end caps, side caps, scour the store for the candy, ask the cashiers. But if they're like, we don't know, you're going to have to really look. And 90% off of those turtles, that is a steal of a deal. It makes a box of $4 chocolates 40 cents. And I did stock up. For future little Easter gifts, Mother's Day gifts, everybody's getting turtles and everybody's going to like it. No, I'm teasing. But if you love pecans and chocolate, I mean, this is the greatest combination. And I was like delighted to find so many. I think this is one item that's going to go very quickly because it's a nicer type of chocolate. Definitely check the expiry date too. All of the ones I was finding expire in August. So you have a couple of months to gift them or eat all of them and enjoy them. It's another item that I saw like Christmas, and then it went right to the Valentine's Day display. 55 cents for this Hershey's Nugget Truffles, and it has a good expiry date, June of 2024. I mean, you could even chop those up and put them into a baking recipe. It's really good chocolate. Starburst Pops, 35 cents for this bag. I thought for Easter baskets for the nieces and nephews, this would be more practical than buying like three little suckers or three little lollipops in a bag. This was like more bang for your buck, so that's the one I got. And then Ghirardelli, shocked, 2 different bags of this caramel one, 45 cents. And they don't expire till next summer as well. And they have 2 different UPCs. One of them has hearts on it, so like, of course, it's Valentine's Day, but one of them was just like plain. I think this is the UPC. So definitely like be on the lookout for both of them. 45 cents from like $4.99, a really good price point. This is creme brulee with a lot of hearts. Again, 45 cents. And this is also a limited edition one. So fabulous to find that. And here is the UPC. Have the Queen Anne's cherry cordals. So it's a piece of chocolate with a cherry in the center for 28 cents. So I think the original price was probably like $2.99. Here's the UPC. These were in dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and they had a cola one as well. Now here's something for your viewing pleasure. Look what I found. 3 penny items at this one store. I just caught it out of the corner of my eye, and I found 3 of these, so I was really happy to find it. I gave my in-laws a bunch last weekend, and I gave them exactly 3 of these, and I found 3 today. So isn't that always just even Steven for me? So while I was in the store, I was doing a bit of investigative work. I was a detective as well. And I noticed at one store, that's all clearance merchandise, and they are starting to stage it. So that was the back room. I just looked. I didn't walk back there. But yeah, I was like, undercover agent looking around. And then a couple of stores that I visited this morning. I think I went to 5 stores altogether, guys. The posters for the clearance event, they're already starting to put them up. They want people to be there to shop Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I made a video on Monday. I will link it at the very end. But if you are all about the Dollar General, or if you are just interested in trying to get some of these big savings, I would recommend to watch the video. It's about 14 minutes. I basically go through the steps on how to have the most amount of success. We have freebies, we have cheapies, and it is going to be on this coming Friday. Next group are the purple squares. So if you look top right hand corner, $1.25, there it is. These cute little nails, 13 cents. I mean, adorable. And then I also found a Barbie one too. I don't know if these are for like little kids or like, I don't think they would fit my nail bed. They look very tiny. So probably a nice little thing for an older niece in the Easter basket. But 13 cents for these Barbie ones. They are absolutely adorable. And I was very selective because I could have went crazy at a couple of these stores and bought everything and anything. But I just bought what I needed. We have this little Laffy Taffy. It's a lip gloss, 20 cents. Candy from back in the day. I mean, how adorable is that? And then I was finding like a couple of these double packs of the LOL for 13 cents. Again, 13 cents is the price for a lot of this. And definitely look in the store in the beauty section. You might find a couple stragglers here and there. That's where I found this guy. It wasn't with the regular purple dot stuff. And we have this Hot Wheels for 13 cents. Very cute thing, you know, for the Easter baskets. Even if you had 2 baskets, you know, you can put 2 or maybe put it in one of those eggs. That would make a nice thing to find. I wish I had found more of these. It's a pack of these lip glosses. This is the Fruity Pebbles. I know they had a Jello flavor and a couple other flavors. 30 cents. That is tremendous. Again, I wish I would have found a lot more. But, you know, I found a bunch of chocolates, so I'll take what I can find. And then we have this little body wash for 10 cents. I only found one. Oh, it's a shampoo, pardon me. So my nephew's really going to enjoy that one. But it is a Marvel shampoo. So I found one, and then we also found this little Encanto for 50 cents. So body wash, shampoo, and a little poof. So I found 2 of those. I wish I had found 3. Maybe I'll find one as the week marches on. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for that. One item I was really happy to find was this little heart keychain. If your purse is a big black thing of doom where you lose your keys all the time, if you attach one of these little toys, you tend to find your keys a lot faster. So that's one thing I do all the time. 10 cents, fabulous price point. And the final cute item is this hanging garland, these little balls. I have a couple cats that like to play fetch, and so they were very intrigued when they arrived. So just a little decor. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Get out to Dollar General ASAP. Or do you want this instead, Susie? What do you want? Do you want the garland or do you want a pom-pom? Uh-oh, Gizmo's not included. How about a nice heart?